Hi, I'm so happy that you're here with me today. What a fine day. I've been busy working on generative AI. ChatGPT, well, no need for me to mention what this is actually doing. I also had some time working on AI music again. If you followed my channel, and well, there's an invitation for you, please be so kind, subscribe to the channel and have a look around at all the playlists, at all the videos that are uploaded, because I cover quite a lot of ground when it comes to generative AI. A few of you might know me from, well, Tristan is the guy who trained a deep neural network on heavy metal and then used this model to compose a couple of albums. Last year, I decided to go into a different direction. And this different direction for me is, well, let's get started with electronic dance music. So I read a little bit about, well, what does electronic dance music mean? And it turned out that the most important ingredient for all of us to create a great EDM track is the drum track. You need a very, very good, straightforward, four on the floor drum track with a very strong kick drum, and everything else will just be a walk in the park once you have that. So my idea was, well, let's find a couple of MIDI files that have drum samples in the techno genre and then train a neural network on that. I expected to be very happy quite quickly because my experiences tell me that this is not so difficult. Turned out that I had to do a couple of things. And the first thing I had to do is come up with a new encoding. Encoding means a method to map those MIDI files to something that I can train a language model on. Means that I have to translate it to some text. As you can see here on this fine big screen, here is a very, very nice token sequence of tokens that represent a piece of audio. And this piece of audio is a drum track in some genres. And that's the thing. Well, I wanted to train on electronic dance music, but then I found a very, very nice pack of MIDI files online, which I actually paid for, that had samples, MIDI files for drum tracks in not only EDM, but also in genres beyond that, including hip hop and trap and rock and roll and a couple of others. So I took all those MIDI files, not that many. I mean, I trained in the past neural networks on 400,000 MIDI files, and this was a mere handful, maybe 50 or 100. I can't remember. It was very, very quickly to train that neural network on that. I did not even need a supercomputer, so my AI station with the RTXs really, really worked like a charm. Well, that was the easiest thing, encoding these things. Well, I just recently, a few minutes ago, I implemented this tiny little widget, which shows you the neural network in action. So I've already pre-selected the melodic techno genre. There are a few more genres here, as you can see. Let's see what happens when we compose. Takes a moment, so the neural network is generating, and also map this back to MIDI. This is how it sounds like. Boy, you can imagine really going wild in a club when you listen to that. Let's try another one. Let's have another one. Ah, look at this. There's definitely four on the floor again. Cool. And while we are here, let's try another one. Ah, cool. I already feel quite inspired and I would love to turn this into a whole song. Let's continue. There are a couple of more genres. Let's start, well, with ambient downtempo hip hop rap. Let's try hip hop and rap. Hit compose again. Interesting. Let's see how it sounds like. Awesome. Let's try another one. Oh, that's awesome. But while we're here, why not? Oh, there's so many things. Latin reggaeton. Let's try that one. Awesome. It's very high energy. Another one. That's cool. What else do we have? What about, where do we have it? Melodic techno, reggae, maybe future bass melodic trap. Some trap music. Awesome. One more. Ah, come on, one more. This is awesome. I could do it the whole day. Maybe I will. Let's see, what else do we have? What about rock and metal? Let's go back to the rock. Awesome. One more. This model is going to be part of one of my first exhibitions at KI Salon in Heilbronn, where I'm now artist in residence. I'm very happy and I feel honored that I was allowed to start that position. The only thing that's missing now, well, you need some harmonies, some melodies, some bass on top of that, which I already did. So please hit the notification button, because in the near future I might talk about this as well. But until then, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Thank you.